Hi guys, so today we are doing long division. But before we do long division, I just wanted to let you know the names with which we call these numbers. Alright, so we have 43,581 divided by 3, and it can be written as 43581 divided by 3. Right, so when we solve this question, this number 3, it is called divisor, okay, because we are dividing the main number with this. Our next number, which is 43,581, this number is called the dividend, okay. The number or the answer that you get on the top here when you divide, like it will come next in the video, this number here is called the quotient, and when you divide it and the end you are left with a number, that number is called a remainder. Right, so when you see the next question, just keep in mind these few terms that will be used, right? So it is 43,581 divided by 3. So now here what we have to do is we have to say 3 times which number gives you a number closer to 4 and also smaller to 4. Okay, so it should be closer to 4 and also smaller than it. So it's 3 times 1 is 3, so it is smaller than 4, and also that's the closest number you get to 4, and then you subtract it. So what is 4 take away 3 gives us 1, then you bring down another number 3. Now you do the same thing again. 3 times what number gives us less than 13 and also the closest to 13. So 3 times 4 is 12, right? So it is smaller than 13 and also closest to 13. So again we will subtract and we end up with 1 again. Now we bring down 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So that went exactly. We subtract again, gives us 0. Then we bring down 8. 3 times 2 is 6. We cannot do 3 times 3, 9, because that will be more than 8. We need the number smaller than 8. So then we again subtract. 8 take away 6 gives us 2. Now last number is 1. We bring down 1, and we know that 3 times 7 is 21, and that gives us 0. So in this question we got the remainder, we got the number at the end as 0. Alright, but in certain cases you might not get 0. So let's do another example. So another example is 12,905 divided by 9. Alright, so let's see what we get. The first number is smaller than the question or the quotient. We call that quotient. Then we take two numbers. So here 9 times 1 is 9. Again we will subtract and we get 3. Right, then we bring down 9. Now here we have 39, and we know that 9 times 4 is 36, right? And 9 times 5 is 45, so it's more than that. Then we subtract again, and then we are left with 3 again. We bring down 0. So 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract again, we are left with 3. Then we bring down 5. And now 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 times 3 is 27. Right, so here 5 was the last digit to come down, right? So we are left with 8 at the end, right? So 8 here is our remainder. So how do we write this is The question was 12,905 over 9. So I'm sure you know that division can be written as fraction as well. So this is same as, so 12,905 divided by 9, if you write it like this or you write it as a fraction, is the same thing, right? So that means this thing is equals to 9 times 1433 plus 8 is going to give you the same thing, or you can write it as 1433, which was your coefficient here at the top, plus 8 over 9. Great. I hope that makes sense. Have a good day.